Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and assemble the Vevor F910 heat press, specifically when it comes to using the hat press portion. So doing this is very simple. All you need to do is get the hat press. So that's this piece right here. We've got a top and a bottom. We're going to start out by putting the bottom in. So that's going to be very, very easy. Take this, set it right here. Then it's going to be two screws. Take the longer two. One goes here. Screw that in, and then one on the back. And there we go. Then it is the top. This part is also very simple. What you need to do first, though, is remove these nuts for the handle because they get in the way right here. We'll also remove one of the washers. Then take the top, put it right here so that those bolts go right through the hole, and then you're going to use this wing nut. Now, depending on your dexterity, you didn't have to remove those, but it's a lot easier to do so. All right. Next step is adding the handle. There is a half moon cut out right there, which is going to line up perfectly with the bolt. So just get that lined up. Do so on both sides. Hold that on, then you're going to take one washer, put it on there, add the nut, hand tight is good, do the same on the other side. Alright, and there we go. Now the next thing you need to do is plug it in. So we've got two things to plug in. Number one, the heat source. There's a little groove right here. This groove needs to line up with that little groove right there. So you got to twist that cable, line it up, plug it in, and then screw this on like a little coax cable, which helps hold that in place. The next cord you need is the power cord. So we will wrap this over here and plug this in. There we go. Now we're ready. Let's turn this on. We need to adjust the temperature and the time setting. So depending on your material, you'll need to adjust this appropriately. Let's take a couple random numbers. So we're going to hold and squeeze, turn one way. This is seconds. So let's turn this down to 20 seconds for a hat. 20 seconds. Wait, let it get locked in. All right, now we're going to hold and squeeze the other direction. That's the temperature. Let's turn this down to 180. All right, wait, and we'll let that get locked in. Now the machine will begin heating up. You can see here it's at 196, so it's already hotter. It's beeping at us saying it's ready. So now you need to turn this out of the way, put your hat on here, put your graphic on there, swing it back, and then press it down. The timer begins and it's counting down from 20 seconds. The temperature is also lowering so that it is appropriately 180 degrees. It's a very cool machine. It works very well. I hope you check out the review video here on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. In addition, we've got a playlist. Once it's done, we can lift it up, and there we go. It's reset, ready to go for the next round. So we also have a playlist showing you all of the different attachments, the heat press, the plates and dishes, cups, mugs, aluminum, ceramic, and then of course the hat press. That'll be in there right here on How To Video Channel. So I hope you check those out because they are very, very insightful. In addition, hit that like button on this video, hit the bell icon and the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos. And if you have any questions or any comments, please post them below. I'll do what I can to help you out. You can also reach out to Vevor Support on their website or comment or contact them through their Amazon listings. Thank you.